Hello everyone, I'm Annie. Today is November 27th, and I'm here to share two pieces of news from China. Firstly, the initial news is about Huawei's first external financing. Today, Chang'an Automobile officially announced a collaboration with Huawei to create an intelligent car platform. Chang'an's investment will not exceed 40%, as Huawei is a non-public company with 100% ownership held by its founder and all employees. Core business like ICT, terminals, Huawei Card, digital energy, and semiconductors are all 100% controlled. Despite the need for funds, Huawei chose to issue bonds for financing instead of diluting equity. In a rare move, Huawei has decided to spin off the first-level department, the Intelligent Car Solution BU, referred to as Huawei Vehicles BU, responsible for carrying the heavy responsibility of the automotive scene, is now an independent subsidiary with up to 40% of its equity available for external financing. The Shanghai Security News reported that Huawei's Intelligent Car Solution BU will be separated from the Huawei system with a total valuation of 250 billion yen. Chang'an is the only car company participating in the acquisition, acquiring a 15% stock for 37.5 billion yuan. Therefore, it is also rumored that Chang'an Automobile will acquire a 30% stock in Huawei Vehicle BU for 300 billion yuan. It resulted in a surge in Chang'an stock today. Shifting gears, the second piece of news is about three Chinese e-commerce platforms rapidly rising overseas, leading Chinese shift from the world's factory to the world's shopping center. With the slowdown of online shopping trends in China, the new generation of e-commerce platforms is targeting foreign customers. In just a few years, Shein has monopolized the fast fashion market and is now expanding its sales reach. Temu, launched at the end of 2022, already has 113 million users globally. TikTok is transforming its massive user base into online shoppers through TikTok Shop. Data from market research company Data AI shows that by September 2023, about a year after its launch, Temu's monthly active users in the United States has exceeded 61 million. It is now available in 48 countries and regions globally. Shein is one of the world's largest fast fashion companies and has expanded its product offering to include home goods and electronics. Shein consistently ranks as the top shopping app in the Google App Store in 115 countries. Meanwhile, TikTok Shop is rapidly growing in Southeast Asia and was launched in the United States in September. Each platform has unique strategies to expand its consumer base. Shein's social media team promotes the so-called Shein Haul Video strategy, where creators sometimes try on over 100 pieces of clothing at once. The app's global sales have soared from $4 billion in 2019 to $23 billion in 2022. It operates a flexible supply chain, sources from a vast network of Chinese clothing factories, and quickly adjusts based on consumer sentiment. For customers, what attracts them most is Shein's affordability. According to an analysis, Shein's women fashion products are 39% to 60% cheaper on average than H&M. Temu introduces gamified experiences into shopping process. Similar to its Chinese sister app Pinduoduo, users visiting the platform can win free items by playing visual farm games or feeding visual fish. Returning users or those who invite friends can earn additional rewards. TikTok Shop, drawing from the Taobao experience, launched shopping live streaming in April in 2021 in Indonesia, accumulating $2.5 billion in sales in its first year and subsequently launching in Singapore, Malaysia, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Thailand. However, the live shopping model doesn't work everywhere. TikTok Shop was launched in the UK in 2021, but received a lukewarm response, leading the company to suspend its plans for a second-year launch in Europe and the United States. In September this year, TikTok finally expanded its shopping features to the United States, hoping to turn its over 150 million American users into regular customers. Low prices are highly attractive to buyers, but for Chinese sellers, these platforms also make it easier for them to join. This hands-off model is particularly attractive to enterprises lacking overseas marketing experience, and the entry barrier is not as high as Amazon's. For China's e-commerce industry, eager to go global or start business overseas, sellers and platforms hope to shade the reputation of selling cheap, made-in-China goods and replace it with the export of complete brands and business models. I hope today's compilation helps you gain a more effective understanding of different Chinese enterprises. I'll update you with more information tomorrow. See you and bye!